Guys, I'm playing some Earn to Die 2. If you wanted to see a series, please, it's gonna be a like and dislike, whoever has more. We'll do a series if likes have more. We'll not do a series if the down has more. I know some of y'all will, a lot of y'all probably know. By the way, if you want to know how to get it full screen and send it on YouTube or watch yourself play it on the iPad or anything, it is a screen recorder. Mine, I forgot it. I'll show you it at the end of the episode, or if I did, or whatever. But yeah. So I think something about I will do the episode on me, changing the voting room. I did something with the voting room. About the first one and second, because I played the first one, like, I finished it, like, all night, and it's just so fun. I will do a lot of videos on it. If you don't want to see that, I'm sorry. My dad wants me to quit that voice, but it's really hard. Whoa, look at the wheels. Look at those wheels. Slides and low. So yeah, I will do a series on this if it gets more dislikes. Hopefully it does, because I want to do it. Really, Dundee. Did I just do a wheelie? By the way, if you don't like blood, end the video. Like, don't even watch it. You'll probably have to do that right now. Never mind. I forget to tell you that I've been practicing. That's why I started off going, and just stuff has happened to me. I decided to do a video. My dad's over there, and if you want to ask me to stop doing the comparing thing, just leave a comment saying please stop doing or just, you don't have to say please, just say stop doing the comparing stuff. I don't know what you're going to say. You can say whatever. But please tell me and I'll stop it. If more than 5 or 4, I'll stop. I know that was way more, but I'm sorry. My iPad keeps on connecting from that. By the way, I like the first one more because you can buy the cars. No ad. No. You. Sorry, put on something wrong there. So we almost made it. Get a little more boost up in here. By the way, guys, shout out to one of my friends. When we get off the bus, I literally just remembered to friend request him on Roblox, but we still don't know how to set it up where you all can see it. So that's the thing, and just. If y'all know, just please tell us. Yeah, appreciate it a lot. Like, a lot. So much. Because if y'all want to see me play computer games, you're gonna have to tell me, or we're gonna have to figure it out. I know we're gonna figure out by the time we have 100 subscribers. Or 200. I know we're gonna probably have it. We're definitely going to have it when we have 1 million subscribers. If we get 1 million, we probably will. Hopefully. But, yeah, our goal, you know what? Let's go ham. I don't care how many likes. Oh yeah, I forgot about the contest. But, I forgot sec. This can't be a too long episode. It's gonna be around 10 minutes. Because, you know, my iPad has a lot of stuff on it. And just getting out, just doing stuff. And just keep on. Sorry if if it stops and with me not saying goodbye, because that has happened to me. But I'm gonna do as much as I can. I'm not gonna say bye. Sorry if y'all want to see me say bye, but it's gonna end now pretty soon. Because I don't have much storage on my iPad because I have a lot of games, and it's not one of those like iPads that can handle like so much. It only handle like 4, 5, or 6 games. Yeah, it's pretty bad iPad. My iPad says it's kind of 2 games. So it says, but I don't really get it because it's not. It's 1 game. I get why it says it, but I didn't count as 1 game. I know it's because I think I know the answer because it's super big, and so is the first one, but still, they could still be called 1. Like, bull. I can't show much without showing y'all. We are past it. Ugh, my car looks shabby. I like it. So guys, I told you I've gone a lot. Day 100. Day 100. Nope, no, nope. Nope, please no. And let's buy some weights. I'm probably gonna end the video around here. Okay. 2 more and then I'll end the video. How about that, guys? I really hope I can do 2 and we'll end. By the way, me and my brothers are doing this challenge where we have to fully upgrade our cars before we get the new one. I'm not doing it because I like the first one doing it because you made sure, and just do it with the first one. Okay? You know what? No, I'm kind of getting bored of this game, so I'm gonna end it after this run. Sorry. Super sorry if you wanted this to be a bit longer episode. But I really want to do more, but you know what? One more round. One more round. One more round. One more round, guys, and then I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I only want some YouTube. I'm gonna probably watch some YouTube after this, but I will continue. I'm not doing the big thing on the first one because it's so fun, and if people say no, and I really want to show people the videos, so I'm not gonna say no to that. So guys, this is gonna end after this run. I hope, because this just gave me a warning that I have 18 more storage. Hopefully y'all saw that. Hopefully y'all didn't. But yeah, I've been playing Rock and Rages 2 because I know you probably want to see that, but yeah. I'm going. Okay. Guys, I'll see you later. Oh, but I forgot to show you. It is called AG Screen. So